Hi, I'm Shannon Brinker. Today we're going to be showcasing the Optragate from Aviclar Viva Dent. It comes in several sizes, and when I say that, it comes in a junior, a small, and a regular. And today we're going to be showcasing the junior first. And what I love about it is the fact that it also comes in a blue and a pink. And today we're going to be utilizing the pink on Kennedy and the blue on Luke. And then we'll showcase the small size, which we'll actually be utilizing for Haley. And I will tell you that I absolutely love this product. I could not imagine utilizing any type of restorative, from direct bonding to indirect restorations, cementation, sealants, placing brackets and wires, attachment placement. There's so many reasons why we use this product. It is disposable, it's a single use, and most importantly, it's latex free. And so I'm going to show you how to place it, super easy, and most importantly, we have such great visibility. Trying to utilize, cotton rolls and 2x2s is really a thing of the past. And I will tell you, if you haven't tried the Optragate, this is a great product, and let me show you how to use it. Okay, so now we're going to just open this up. I'm going to slide it here, and this one's going to go right there. Perfect. Stay just like that. Okay. And you can see here we can pull on the tabs. We've got a nice thing here, and I'm actually going to kind of come in some. Okay. Beautiful. All right. I love it, dude. You look really good. All right, so stay just like that, okay? Okay. So here we placed our Optragate on Luke, and actually, let me shoot this again. I must have done it. Okay, so here we've got our Optragate placed on Luke. You can see that it's very comfortable. I will say that he really does like this. Anytime that we're placing various wires, and when he's coming in to get his ortho check, the first thing we do is we place this Optragate. And I will say that on every young adult like him, this really does help. A lot of people think that it's just for the dentist and the assistant and the hygienist. It really isn't. It actually is a really good device for the patient because we're keeping the lips off the teeth. A lot of things that we utilize in dentistry don't taste the greatest, and so patients really do appreciate it. And I think that it makes it so much easier. It gives us more visibility, so this way we can really see what's going on, and most importantly, allow us to do our best work. When we're utilizing cotton rolls and 2x2s, we know that there are things that sometimes can get in our way. And what I love about utilizing the Optragate is the lips are off the teeth. It makes it so much easier for us to really see everything, giving us amazing visibility. And most importantly, is once you use it, you really cannot go without it. And you can see that, again, very comfortable for the patient. Using a junior size, blue for Luke, and we'll be back here in just a little bit to showcase the pink for Kennedy and also the regular size for Haley.